You ever feel like cooking used to be more fun? Like you didn't dread the washing up or overthink the meal, you just cooked because you wanted to? Then somewhere between work emails, social media, Deliveroo and those 5-minute meals that actually take 45 minutes, we just stopped. We didn't lose the skill or anything, we just lost that spark. See, cooking should mean something. It's a connection, curiosity, or even chaos. But now it just seems like this weird productivity checklist. What's for dinner? How fast can I make it? How much protein, calories, or sins are in it? Somewhere along the way, food has become admin, and food should never feel like admin. I remember when I first started as a chef, I'd finish a 16-hour shift, still smelling like onions, fryer oil, and steaks, and then go home and cook again. And most of the time, this was after midnight, and not because I had to, because I wanted to. That was my little reset button in my head. That's where most people have forgotten cooking isn't a chore. It's probably the cheapest therapy session you'll ever get. And the sound of that pan sizzling, the smell of garlic, that's your brain's way of saying, hey, you made this, so here's how you get that spark back. Stop chasing perfection. Burnt edges are flavour. Unless you've left it in the oven for 4 days, it'll probably taste alright. Overcooked cheese tastes amazing. Once a week, try and cook for fun. Not macros or calories. Pick something new or something you love to make and just make it. Invite someone around or just talk to yourself while you're cooking. Stick a podcast on or sing full volume Queen songs. Trust me, it is cheaper than a therapy session. And if you can plate it like it's going on your fantasy menu, you'll start caring again. Cooking's not about skill, it's about presence. It's one of the last places you can actually slow down and feel productive. So next time you're tempted to order a takeaway, don't think, oh, I'd have to cook. Just think it's 30 minutes of peace in your own head. You don't need a Michelin star to enjoy cooking. You just need to remember why you started. And if you forgot, don't worry. I'm here to remind you every week.